Hello everyone, this is Sandusky District Library's Fall Virtual Story Time. We're on week 7. Are you ready? Hands go up and hands go down. I can turn myself around. I can stand up on one shoe. I can listen, so can you. I can sit, I'll show you how. Story time is starting now. Welcome. I am so glad you're here. Today we are going to talk cats. So I have a couple of books to share with you today. Our first book is called Max at Night, and it is written by Ed Beer. Okay, let me get my screen all set. Okay. Let's see what happens to Max at night. This is Max. It's way past Max's bedtime. Max is very sleepy. Max has drunk his milk. Max has brushed his teeth. Max has cleaned behind his ears. Now Max is going to say goodnight. Good night, fish, says Max. Good night, box, says Max. Good night, spider, says Max. Good night, moon, says Max. But the moon is nowhere to be seen. Oh, no. Moon, moon, where are you, moon, says Max. Maybe I'll see moon from outside. Max steps out into the starlit night. Good night, night, says Max. Have you seen moon? But the night is dark and quiet. Maybe I'll see moon if I get a little higher, thinks Max. Max tiptoes carefully up onto the sleeping dog. Good night, dog, whispers Max. Have you seen moon? But the sleeping dog is sleeping. Maybe I'll see the moon if I get a little higher, thinks Max. Max climbs up a tall, tall tree and creeps out along a branch. Good night, tree, says Max. Do you know where I can find moon? Max climbs up even higher up, among the rooftops. Good night, rooftops, says Max. Have you seen moon? But the rooftops are silent. Maybe if I get much higher, thinks Max. Maybe from the tallest building. Max climbs up and up and up. Good night, tallest building, says Max. Can you see moon? But the tallest building says nothing. Oh, moon, where are you, moon, says Max. Max is very tired, but he climbs up even higher to the highest of the high hills, where the wind blows cold and strong. Good night, hill, says Max. Please tell me, have you seen moon? But the highest of the high hills just whistles in the wind. Max has had enough. Moon, where are you? Up on the highest of the high hills, the wind hears Max and blows the clouds away. Moon, and there, full and brilliant in the night sky. Good night, Max, whispers Moon, and thank you very much for coming. Good night, Moon, yawns Max. It has been a long, long night. Now I can go to bed. Max calls Moon across the night sky. Did you know that I can hear you when you say goodnight at home? Oh, says Max, now you tell me. Well, thank you. That's very good to know. Max is tired and happy. He walks back along the rooftops and clambers down the tall, tall tree. Max creeps carefully over the sleeping dog, and sleepy, very sleepy, he climbs the stairs to bed. Sleep tight, Max, says Moon. But Max doesn't hear. Max is snoring, 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 fast asleep. All right, that was our first story. Now I'm going to show you our craft for this week, and it is a paper bag cat. So in your Storytime craft kit, And if you haven't ordered this yet, that's okay. You still have time. Just go ahead and on our website and fill out the form. If you have any trouble, just give us a call. But you'll have all the supplies you need inside the paper bag. So you will have a tail, or 2 ears, two eyes, belly. You should have some cotton balls and some pipe cleaners for whiskers, and you'll have a nose and a tongue. So you're going to take all those parts and you're going to glue them on the outside of your paper bag. Make sure when you're gluing things that you glue it on the side that has the flap, so that way when you're all said and all done, you can make your cat talk. So, and then when you make sure when you're gluing the tongue that you don't glue it on this side, that you glue it so you can just see a little bit of it. So you'll have it when it's all said and done, you have everything glued. Your cat should look something like this with the tail in the back. So then when the glue is all dry and nothing's gonna fall off, you can make your cat talk. Okay? So that's your craft for this week. Let's read our next story. Our next story is called How to Give Your Cat a Bath in 5 Easy Steps. And it's written by Nicola Winstanley and John Martz. All right, so let's see how we give that a cat a bath. How to give your cat a bath in 5 easy steps. Step 1, fill the bathtub with warm water. That is too much water. Oops. Step 1, put a little warm water in the bath. This much? Do you think that's enough water to bathe the cat? Sigh. Step 1, put a little warm water in the bath. The water should come up to your cat's knees. Knees? Step 2, put your cat in the... Wait, where's the cat? Mr. Flea, where are you? Don't you want to be clean? Have you found Mr. Flea yet? Oh, look at... You see where the cat is hiding in all the different places? I can't find him anywhere. Maybe we should start again. Step 1, Step 1, have some milk and cookies. You will need some energy. Fine. Step 1, have some milk and cookies. Uh-oh, look at the cat. Step 2, find your cat. Step 3, put your cat in the... Hold on, is the water still warm? I think it's cold. Step 4, hold your cat in one arm and turn on the tap with your other. Mr. Flea, wait! Step 5, chase your cat down the stairs. Step 6, run back to the bathroom. I thought you said there were only 5 steps. Step 6, run! Step 7, turn off the water. Oh no. Step 8, mop the floor. Step 9, find. Step 9, have another cookie. Step 10, find your cat again. Oh, how to give your cat a bath in 1 easy step. Step 1, sit quietly while your cat licks himself clean. Oh, doesn't look very happy with that. The end. All right, next week we are going into the forest for our books. So I have a couple books that I'd like to share with you. The first one is called Hoot and Peep. That's some owls. And then we have Old Bear and His Cub. We have one that's called Finding Wild. And then the last one that I think is probably pretty funny, it's called This Is a, and the word squirrel is crossed out, and taco. This is a taco. That looks like a taco. That looks like a squirrel holding a taco. So this book is very funny. Okay, everyone, that's all I have for you this week. I'm so glad you were able to watch, and I'll see you next week. Ready? Tickle the stars, tickle your toes, turn around and tickle your nose. Reach down low, reach up high. Story time is over, so wave goodbye. Goodbye, everyone. Have a great day. See you next time.